Today we are going to discuss the solution of second internal test from the subject Introduction to Data Science. The first section is from the topic data cleaning. First one is when margining data sets with different measurements system ensuring compatibility between units is crucial. Second, in data cleaning, garbage in and garbage out stresses that analysis quality depends on its input data. Third, artifacts are systematic problems introduced during the data cleaning process that can be corrected. Fourth, incoverable information lost during acquisition is an error. Fifth, replacing missing data with the meaning of existing value is called mean imputation. Sixth, filling missing values via linear regression or curve fitting is known as interpolation. Seventh, always preserve both the raw data and clean data set. Eighth, converting John Smith to Smith John is an example of name compatibility. Ninth, outer detection is often used as sanity check. 10th, functions like Unicode help remove consistent characters during miscellaneous repair. Now, moving on for section B, that is from machine learning concepts. 11th is transforming raw variables into more informative ones is called feature engineering. Second, predicting a numerical value is such an salary is an example of regression. 13. A model that fits training data perfectly but fails on new data suffers from overfitting. Fourth, dropout and weight penalties are examples of regularization methods. 15. Training multiple diverse models to improve accuracy is known as ensemble learning. 16. A simple reference model for comparison is called a baseline model. 17. Independent, unchanging data samples are described as static data. 18. Parameters turned before training are called hyperparameters. 19. Comparing two versions statistically to see which performs better is A/B testing. 20. Normalization typically rescales numeric features to the range 0 to 1. 21. The difference between trained test performance measures model generalization. 22. Bias sampling in data collection can cause selection bias. 23. A model trained once and not updated further is a static model. 24. A model that continually retains with new data is a dynamic model. 25. The loss function measuring divergence between predicted and true probabilities is logistic regression. Moving on section C, that is from deep learning. 26. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning. 27. Neural networks are universal approximators of functions. 28. A network with more than one hidden layer is termed as a deep NN. NN stands for neural network. 29. Each layer's output becomes next layer's input. 30. CNNs are mainly used for image classification. 31. RNNs handle data with strong sequential dependencies. 32. LSTM is an improved version of RNN network. In a GAN, the second model acts as a discriminator distinguishing real and fake data. 34. Reusing a pre-trained model for a related task is called transfer learning. 35. The wide part of the wide and deep model help memorizing specific examples. 36. The deep part captures more high-level features. 37. Linear classifiers combine inputs with wide and deep to form predictions. 38. Activation functions include nonlinearity into neural models. 39. Adding neurons or hidden layers increases model complexity. 40. Transfer learning leverage learned features learned from prior tasks. Moving on section D from Python data structures. 41. Lists are ordered and mutable, meaning that can be changed. 42. Tuples differ from lists because they are immutable. 43. Dictionaries store data as key value pairs. 44. Section sets contain only unique elements. 45. A DQ allows fast operations at both ends. 46. Counter is a subclass of dictionary that tallies occurrences. 47. A frozen set is a set that is immutable. 48. The heap queue model implements a priority queue. 49. In a max heap, each parent node's value is greater than its children's node. 50. And last, converting a list into heap order is called heaping.